everybody, it's me, Mrs. Specto, and I'm here to show you how to access Sora. Sora is our new platform for reading ebooks and listening to audiobooks, and it can be used for your own personal enjoyment or it can be used for curricular reasons. So this is how you get there. Go to School Resources, go down to the library, and then when you get to the beautiful library website, you scroll down past all of the things till you get to Sora. Then you click on it. You need to go in here and look for Beverly. Since you go to Beverly Public Schools, and you're going to sign in using Beverly Public Schools. And you need to be in your school email to do this. So you go to your school email and it'll connect to Overdrive, which is like the parent company of Sora. Okay, and blammo, you're in it. Now it should say Mass Commonwealth ebook collection, but here's a pro tip. If you have a, maybe it's not even going to ask. Maybe it just gives you the Noble books. I thought you had to put in your library card, but Noble is the public library. Okay, so I'm all logged in. I'm in my MLS Commonwealth ebook collection. I want to find something to read. So I'm going to go in here to search. I already have, I was going to be like, and now I'm going to search for my favorite writer, which is Maud Hart Lovelace. And look at all these great books by Maud Hart Lovelace. So none of them are out because they're all dreadfully old-fashioned. But let's say that I want to borrow this one. I borrowed it. It's taking a while, but now I can read it at my leisure. The little arrow tabs are what's getting me through here. There's all kinds of interesting information here. Now, to get out, you click on close. That'll get me out. Say I want to explore further. This is giving me books and ebooks and audiobooks. I can also go over here for more filters. So depending on the format I want, the subjects that I want, the languages that I want, even how long an audiobook will take, Lexile score, difficulty. Say that I only want to see the newest stuff. I can click on the things that have just been added in the last 7 days and show the results there. And there might be something here that I want. Wow, these look really good. Let's say that I just want to see things that are available right now. I can click on that. This is going to show me all the newest things that are available right now, which looks like a lot of them. Ooh, Can't Stop, Won't Stop. This is actually supposed to be really good. Now, this is going to give me the information. I haven't borrowed it yet. I want to make sure that I like it. But this is about a provocative look into the world that the hip hop generation created. So let's say that I want to listen, or I'm sorry, is this an audiobook? This is a ebook. So say that I want to borrow it. I'll click on that and I can borrow that as well. Now let's just look at audiobooks. We only want to look for audiobooks. Now a lot of these are the same, which is kind of cool. These are things that are all available right now. And then it breaks it down by different types of books. So let's say that I only want to read romance. There we go. Oh, great title. And these are the ones for me. Let's say that you're looking to read something on Japanese internment. You're going to go in here and it gives you a bunch of different things. Now, if you just want to look at ebooks versus audiobooks, you can click on here. Some of these are for younger students. Some of them are fiction. So you do need to sort through a little bit. It's not going to have the precision that you get in the database or in the actual physical library. However, it's quite handy. So say that you're going to look at this book on Japanese American incarceration. This is something that you're interested in. You can borrow it. You click on borrow right there. And there you go. Once you're in here, you can then look at the book itself. Click down here and it'll open up. This is clearly for younger kids, but there are a couple of tools that you can use. For example, let's say that if you want to highlight something, you would click here and you can bookmark or highlight, and you just, so let's say that you want to highlight this, and then you can put a note, and you can say, this looks amazing. Go here for more resources, okay? And then you've got that note. You can save it and go on with your life. If there's a book that you're looking for that you can't get, so say that you're looking, oh, hooray, a new achievement. So say that there's a book that you're looking for, let's see, it looks like all of these are available, which is great. Not every book that you want is going to be available. Oh, that's because I have this clicked for available books. So say that you're looking for something that you just want to read. Say that you've been dying to read. Let's see if they have the Poet. I know they have the Poet X. You want to read the Poet X for your class. Okay. Oh, no, you want to read Shadow Shaper, because here's the thing. Shadow Shaper has been, someone has it out. So you click on place holds, and then now it's in your holds. So if you, oh, you can also, it's telling me it might be available there, which is nice. Now there are things that you can change. For example, I mentioned adding the Noble books. You can also make the font different. This is a font that is helpful for people who have dyslexia. There's high contrast. Wow, that is some contrast. You can change your language to any of these. And well, let's see what all the settings are. Toolbar labels, search all libraries, holds, downloads, lending periods. There's all kinds of different things that you can change here. All right, so now I'm just browsing for whatever, and I see, oh dear Lord, it's Clown in a Cornfield. This book is terrifying. I must have it. Well, sadly, it's out, but let's place a hold and see how long it takes to get it. And it says available soon, so I guess we'll see. Now let's go look at my shelf, and we can see that I've got Betsy and the Great World out. And then I've got holds on Clown in a Cornfield, The Whole Stupid Way We Are, and Explore My World, Sea Otters. Okay, so I'm just waiting for those to come in, and I'll have so much to read. So if you have any questions about Sora, feel free to come see me. Feel free to play with it. It's not, you're not going to break it. In addition to reading online, you can also use the Sora apps. You can download one from self-service onto your computer, and you can also download it on your phone. Take your Sora with you wherever you go. If you have any questions, come find me. I am happy to help you look around. Thanks for watching.